Hey guys and gals, it's WrestleGamer, aka Double B Billy Boudreaux, and I'm back with another opening. This time it is a structure deck for Yu-Gi-Oh! Dragunity Legion. I'm going to do a little opening on this one here, so let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. And it had this in here. Congratulations, you have won one free entry into any event at a Yu-Gi-Oh! Championship Series. This card expires on July 1st, 2012. Oh well. Like they'll have a Yu-Gi-Oh! Card Championship Series here in Louisiana. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, here is the deck for the Dragunity Legion structure deck. We have Dragunity Dukes. We have Dragunity Brandy Stock. Dragunity Javelin. Mist Valley Falcon. Hunter Owl. Masked Dragon. And another one. Dragunity Legionnaire. Dragunity Tribus. Dragunity Dark Spear. Dragunity Militum. Dragunity Primus Pilus. Foolish Burial. Card Destruction. Relieve Monster. Legacy of Yatagatsuru. Final Attack Orders. Mirror Force. Windstorm of Edequa. Garuda the Wind Spirit. Flying Kamakari 1. Spear Dragon. Twin-Headed Behemoth. Armed Dragon level 5. Dragon's Rage. Bottomless Trap Hole. Spiritual Winart Miyabi. Icarus Attack. Dragunity Arma Levitin. Dragunity Arma Mistletoe. Armed Dragon level 3. Dragon Ravine. Dragon Mastery. United We Stand. Mage Power. Dragon's Gunfire. Stamping Destruction. Creature Swap. Monster Reincarnation. And finally, Dragunity Eclipse. Or Atlas. Well, that's been the Dragunity Legion structure deck.